Alright, so merong present si Nvidia sa CES 2025 and it's all about their new GeForce RTX 50 series or GeForce Blackwell. And you can see na ang pricing nila ay nasa around, yung pinaka top end is $2,000 and yung pinaka low end is $550, and they say yung 570 RTX 5070 is almost the same as 4090 performance, in which the old price of the 4090 series is around 1500, if not mistaken, if in the $1600 dollars or $1600 or $1500 more or less. And then they show the laptop 570 laptop that is 1.3, and then laptop that's around 5090 na around 3K. But when you compare that with this, ito ay GPU lamang, and the AI tops are almost the same, yung 5080 saka yung 5090 na laptop, and the price is almost 3 times because ito buong laptop to at ito ay GPU lamang, diba? So yes, you will need lots of pyesa, lots of cooling and so on and so forth. Wala pa tayong mga as of now na I'm creating this video, wala pa mga pinakitang mga benchmarks, but yeah, just simply wait for the reviews. Itong mga GPUs na ito, yung mga reviewers, yung mga testings, kasi baka tulad ng 4090 launch na may problema sa connector, masyado malaki and so on and so forth. So problem dun sa pag mount. So there will be testing again, and then firmware updates and so on and so forth. So madalas sa mga brand new may mga bugs pa yan, so need to wait for it. And then the price, of course. But laptop, sadly, o nga, portable na laptop, pero kung compare mo yung power ng CPU and GPU na laptop sa desktop, mas malakas pa rin siyempre yung desktop. It has the same names, but mas malakas pa rin siyempre yung desktop. So maybe in the future, bibuild ng small factor ITX na desktop para mas malakas, pero tignan natin. As of now, we have a laptop and portable kasi nga madalas lumilindol dito. So yun na muna, ganito na lang muna kaibigan, and mabilis lang na recap regarding sa pinakita ng Nvidia. Marami pa sila yan, hindi pa tapos yung kanilang live, and syempre yung ROG mamaya gagawan din natin ng video. Tapos kapag meron na yung mga recaps or yung mga summary ng CES, baka gawa natin ng live stream, pero sa Twitch na natin yan. Okay, ingat, and as always, take care.